All athletes tap in Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this Instagram viral sticker, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go to the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT, and then from my page you have to click at trending from highlights. And then you can click until you find the desired sticker, and as you can see here I only have viral stickers, so you can check these too. So there we have it, all athletes tap in, click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, now you can go to your uploads and choose the desired photo. So I will go with this photo of mine. You can make it bigger or smaller and you can place it where you want, and you can do the same thing with the sticker. So after that you have to click at your story to share it, and that's it. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.